Hello, welcome back to Garden Glows. After a long time, I am finally back with a voiceover. I was sick for the past few days, but today, standing here on my rooftop, surrounded by my roses, I felt the strength to speak again. Every morning before the world wakes up, I come here to a place where silence blooms and colors speak louder than words. These roses are not just flowers, they are stories wrapped in petals, born with tiny seedlings, grown with passion, and protected with love. Each color whispers something different. The red one tells me to brave, the white one reminds me to stay soft, the white roses teaches calmness, and the yellow one, they bring sunshine even on my darkest days. People see flowers, but I see every moment I cared for them. Watering in the early morning, removing the dried leaves, waiting for new buds to open, day after day, season after season. Growth is slow, but when the first buds open, it feels like magic, a tiny reminder that nature never rushes, yet everything still blooms. These roses live in pots on a simple rooftop, but they bloom like they belong in the biggest garden. Because love doesn't need a big space, just a caring heart. This rooftop is my escape, my little world above the noise of the city. Up here I breathe deeper, up here I feel lighter. And every time a new rose opens, it reminds me to keep blooming too. Gently, slowly, and beautifully. Thank you for being with me today and for listening after my long break. If this flower touches your heart, then my garden has bloomed twice. Thanks for watching.